Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you all are all doing great today. Thank you all for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscriptions as well. For today's tutorial, it's all about wearable geometric and St. Patrick inspired makeup look. I decided to go for 2 shades of lips in order for those that wouldn't want to go too much of greenish kind of. So if you want to see how I achieve this gorgeous look, please do continue watching. If you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, could you please subscribe and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye. To transit today is by Black Oplal from the Mimosa Pop. I picked the yellow shade to do my transition color. Went ahead and pick up a palette, 120 color palette by BH Cosmetics. I pick up a green shade from that and I use that as part of my lid, as in it came in right after my transition color. Right inside my crease, I try to put it right inside my crease. I use a smaller brush in order for me to be able to get that handle real good. And to cut my crease for the geometric shape that I was going for, I pick up the concealer by LA Pro Girl in shade Truffle. I'll put the names and the brands that I use in this makeup tutorial. I'll put them in my description box. Please do take your time to read it. So this is very new to me. This is the first time I'll be doing something like this, but I took my time to cut it in order for it to look geometric and wearable as well. Then I went ahead and picked up this palette I just got by Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette, and I picked the green shade from it and I apply it into my geometric shape. So in order for my eyeshadow to stay right inside the triangle that I created, I decided to use a lip brush because it's very small and it will fit in perfectly into the triangle. So I went ahead and picked up that 120 color palette eyeshadow by BH Cosmetics, and I pick up the green shade and I apply a little bit more of it in the inner corner of my eyes. The liquid eyeliner that I'll be using today is by LA Girl. It's called the matte eyeliner and it's in shade Black. I'll be putting the names of all these brands in my description box. Please do take your time to read it. As usual, I went off the camera and I applied my first lashes, and I move on to my foundation application. The foundation that I'll use today is by Black Oplal in shade Beautiful Browns. I'll be putting all this in my description box. To contour, I'll be using the contouring palette by BH Cosmetics, and the brushes that I use to apply my contouring and highlighting today, I got them from Amazon. I'll put a link of these brushes under my description box. I love the way it feels. They feel so good. The smallest one, as in I just like the way it fits into the bridge of your nose. They are so effective and they are not expensive at all. And to highlight today, I'll be using the Butter Sacha cup. I will use that to highlight, and I use it to set my under eyes in order for my makeup not to crease away after a little while. Even though I use primer, it is very, very important for you to set under your eyes, especially if you know you usually crease out. So I went ahead and picked up the liquid eyeliner. I used that at the inner corner of my eyes to give it a little bit of shape around there. And I went ahead and picked up a black pencil by Lauder. I used that to line my inner eye ring. The blush that I'll be using today is by Juvia's Place. I'll be using the shade that is called New. The highlighter that I'll be using today is the new one that just released by Anastasia Beverly Hill. It's called the Ambrese. I don't know if I pronounce it right. I so much love this. It's so highly pigmented. A little goes a long way. And for my lipstick, it's by Kat Von D and is the shade called Mercy, which is the first option I went for before I switched to the green one that is called, if I can find the name. But I'll be putting the name of all this in my description box. And I went ahead and sprayed my entire face with a setting spray by NYX. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please leave me likes, comments, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.